Compact construction equipment has remained popular this year, and having the right compact attachments is the best way to get the most out of these small and mighty machines. I'm excited to have Dan Stong joining me today from our new Dayton, Minnesota store to talk attachments for skid steers and compact track loaders. Dan, thanks for being here. Can you tell me a little bit about yourself and what you do at RDO?
I'm the compact sales manager here out of the Dayton store in Minnesota. I help manage the compact inventory, the compact equipment inventory, and I help our sales team come up with creative solutions for customers when it comes to compact equipment.
Creative solutions for customers, I love that. When we talk about skid steers and CTLs, we have to talk about attachments. Why are attachments so important for these machines?
We need attachments to be productive. The customer needs attachments to be productive, and without them, we're not going to be doing any work.
One of the great things about skid steers and CTLs is the variety of attachments. Can you tell us about the most popular ones?
Yeah, so out here, Dennis, we've got a couple of different attachments we're going to walk through. So this is an auger here. Augers are great for drilling holes into the ground, whether it's for fence posts or putting in trees. Auger bits come in all sorts of different sizes and shapes. We can go anywhere from like a 4-inch auger all the way up to a 36-inch auger, or even bigger sometimes, to be able to put all sorts of posts or trees or anything like that in the ground. So it's a really great attachment. It's going to help you be more productive. Next attachment I've got here in line is a pickup broom. And so pickup brooms are great for cleaning up job sites. Everybody, makes a job site dirty. It's just what happens at job sites. So having a pickup broom is an essential. The bristles on the inside spin, throw all of the dirt and junk and everything from the ground up into a hopper up here, and then you can take this and go dump it right in a trash bin. Easy, seamless cleanup, makes your job site look new again. And lastly, we've come to a power rake, which is great for pulverizing any sort of soil. If you've got hard terrain, big clumps of dirt at your job site, you want to be able to smooth it out, level everything out. This is a great tool. It also works for ripping out grass, ripping out weeds, dethatching. You can do a ton of different things with this attachment. It's really versatile and can be used in a myriad of ways.
So a customer who has an older machine but might want a new attachment, that's not an issue. That's pretty universal. So how do you advise them on making that work?
Yeah, absolutely. So the new attachments will fit on just about any older skid steer, newer skid steer. Brand doesn't make a difference. So as long as you've got the right flow, which is, to say that there's high flow and standard flow, that's going to be your biggest differentiator between attachments. Other than that, attachments will pretty much fit on any machine.
And that's great to have that flexibility to swap new and older attachments to best utilize what's in your fleet. So speaking of that, for those who might be newer to the process, talk about the ease of changing out attachments.
Yeah, so switching out attachments is super simple. You're going to have a skid plate where the attachment is hooked up, and you're going to have some hydraulic lines, usually if it's an hydraulic attachment where it's hooked up. So all we're going to do is pull the hydraulic lines off. If there's an electrical attachment, we pull it off, and then we'd hop into the cab. This one has a quick attach plate, so it's really easy. You just press a button, the pins release on the plate, you dump the attachment, you hook up your next attachment, and you're ready to go.
Now for someone in the market for skid steer or track loader attachments, whether new or used, what's the best way to find what they need?
Yeah, come on into any one of our stores. We have sales specialists, again, that would be more than willing to work with you and tailor fit an attachment to your need, custom fit that attachment to your need. Or if you just want to browse our inventory of attachments, log on to rdomarketplace.com and take a look at all of our attachments we have in our inventory.
Great, so we have contact-free online shopping, or for those who prefer to buy in person, our stores are open and we can help customers. Dan, thanks for taking the time to talk attachments and show us a few of the most popular ones.
Yeah, hey, thanks for having me on, Dennis. Glad to be here and excited to do it again.
Compact construction equipment like skid steers and track loaders have remained popular, even this year with everything that's going on. But like Dan helped remind us today, don't forget about attachments to make those machines as productive as possible. Thanks for watching The Track. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow me on social media.